today we're going to install the door panel on this 2013 Dodge Challenger. Alright, first thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and pick up the door. We're going to go ahead and connect all our pigtails right into here and connect our door release cable right into here and secure it down. So let's go ahead and start up with the pigtails. We'll have to bring this up and start fishing. This one will go into this one. This one will go into this one. That one will go into this one. This one will go right into that. All right, I think it's easiest to connect this first, then start connecting your pigtails. This one being the last one, because this is like the shortest one, I believe. It's almost the same crap. Next, we'll loop it over the lock mechanism here. I swear, these cars are so hard to work on. Anything Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep. Anything Chrysler products. Nightmare. They're the devil car. Make sure all your holes are lined up and just give it some taps. The pins will lock into place. We'll reset these just like so. So everything could close down just like so by pulling that pin out. Sometimes it's easier just to pull the whole pin itself out. Yeah, it's easiest to just pull the whole pin out. Put that into place. Pushing the pin, and we'll do it all the way around. There's 4 on this side, there's 3 on this side. The screw, 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 screw. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, now we'll put in all the screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of them. And secure everything down with a Phillips screwdriver. Perfect. Once you put them all into place, we'll put this little covers back into place. This one will go right there, and this rounded one will go right behind the door handle. All right, and there you have it. And that is how you install the door panel on this 2013 Dodge Challenger. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.